Now that you have an idea of some of the evidence-based practices we would use in speech-language therapy, I will now give you an overview of the support that an SLP will provide to a child with RSS over their lifetime. So the first area we would be concerned with is the feeding difficulties that they present with at birth. Here, we would offer tips to help with oral stimulation, and we would also advise dietary adjustments should they be needed. This would be modifying the consistency of food to ensure safe swallowing and so forth. This would be continually monitored with speech and language development as they reach preschool and school age. Motor difficulties or apraxia appear to be most common, so while working with a child with the RSS profile at this stage of their life, we would target improving motor speech functions. Although it should be noted that these children are at risk for cognitive developmental delays and/or learning disabilities. They have a higher incidence rate of ADD and ASD, and are also vulnerable to hearing loss and visual perception or processing difficulties. Given the potential complications of co-occurring neurodevelopmental disorders and hearing impairments that can arise in children within this population, it is highly advisable to use a total communication approach. This means integrating as much visual, auditory, and kinesthetic support as possible, or to put more simply, using gestures, pictures, sounds, and movement. That being said, over half of children with Russell-Silver syndrome demonstrate an average intelligence, and the prognosis has been mostly positive for these individuals. If their nutrition and growth deficiencies have been properly treated, they tend to have fewer problems as they reach adulthood. There have been many reports that speech difficulties significantly fade into adulthood as a result of improved muscular and structural development from all the support directed to their physiological development and growth.